If you're looking for a crock pot recipe that tastes just like you got it from the Chinese carryout, then you're gonna wanna keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am making Mongolian and broccoli in the crock pot, and I thought I would share it with you today. I am making this for my lunch for the upcoming week. I'm trying to get a lot more protein in, and I thought this would be the perfect thing to make, and then I'd have it for a few days next week. So we're gonna go ahead, quickly go over all the ingredients, and then we'll put this together. All right, my friends, so we have some minced garlic, soy sauce, corn starch. I have the hot chili sesame oil. You can use regular olive oil or sesame oil. I just like to add a little bit of heat to mine, so I use that. I have some ground ginger, light brown sugar, broccoli. I won't be using all that broccoli. I'll freeze half of it. Some green onion, and I have 1.5 pounds of flank steak. And friends, that's all the ingredients. Oh, and there'll be some water added to this as well. I don't have that in this on the counter here, but I'll be adding some water as well. So friends, that is everything. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, my friends, as you saw, very simple ingredients, pretty easy to do. I started prepping everything just so I could get this together really quick, but I wanted to show you how I slice my flank steak because it is very important. So I'm gonna quickly turn the camera down and show you how I slice the flank steak, and then we'll put everything together. All right, as you can see, friends, the grain is running this way, so you wanna make sure you cut it against the grain. Like if we cook flank steak on the grill or something, I always tenderize it. Then my hubby will grill it, and then we cut it against the grain. But we're not going to be tenderizing this since it's going into the crock pot. But I did want to show you that I am cutting it against the grain. All right, my friends, I am done cutting up my steak. This is about how thick I cut it. Just wanted to give you, and also wanted to show you, I put it in, this is a black bag because I'm going to add the cornstarch. And if you don't have any of these, you're going to want to get yourself some. I will put a link in the description box for these. I love this. It holds the bag open and it allows it to stand up while you're putting stuff in. So I'll put a link for that in the description box. So let's go ahead and put everything together now. All right, so I have my 1.5 pounds of flank steak. I am putting in a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And we're just going to take this out. Zip it up. And get all that beef coated with the cornstarch. Okay. Just like that. All right, now let's head over to the crock pot. All right, my friends, I did spray my crock pot with some PM. I always do. Okay. Just spread this out a little bit. It's not all in the center. There we go. And then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of ginger on there, just a little bit, not much, just kind of for taste. And I'm going to take a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, just sprinkle that around. Just like that. And then I'm taking a 1/2 cup of soy sauce, and I'm just pouring that in. And then we're going to do a 1.5 teaspoons, which is 3 cloves of garlic. And then I'm going to do a tablespoon of my sesame oil. And like I said, I am using the hot just because I like the hot. Alrighty, and now let me go ahead over, oh, I still missed a little bit of my brown sugar. Let me go get head on over and get some water real quick. Alrighty, and now I'm adding in 3/4 cups of water. Okay. Just mix that a little bit. Just try to get my beef spread out a little. And friends, that is all. The broccoli and the onions will go in the last half an hour, 20 minutes or so. Oh, did y'all see that? So let's go ahead, let me clean this up real quick, and then we'll turn the crock pot on and get it started. All right, we're gonna put this on low, and we're gonna put it for I'm gonna do it for 2.5 hours, and then the last half an hour I'm gonna add the broccoli and the onion. So I'll see you back then. All right, my friends, it's been a little over 2.5 hours. So we're gonna get, oh, it smells divine. Yeah. Yum. Yum, yum. Smells very good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in, I just chopped up some broccoli, just about a little over a cup. Put as much or as little as you want in yours. All right, and then I have 3 scallions, and I just kind of sliced them on the diagonal. I'm gonna throw those in there. All right, give it a good stir. And I'm gonna serve this over rice for my lunch. Alrighty, I'm gonna let this go for about another half an hour or so until the broccoli is cooked somewhat, and then we'll do a quick taste test. So I will see you shortly. All right, my friends, time is up. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a good stir and do a quick taste test. And like I said, this is for my lunch for tomorrow and Tuesday. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right. Oh, look at that. Smells delicious. Oh. All right, let me grab a little plate so we can do a quick taste test. All right, my friends. Let's give her a taste. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Absolutely delicious. Perfect. Perfectly tender. Still a tad bit red, which is how I like my meat. If you don't, you can cook it a little bit longer. Nice and juicy. This is going to be great over rice. I'm not doing all that right now because I'm taking it to work, so I'm going to cook my rice tomorrow and put it over there. So, but I did want to do a quick little taste test with you. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that little subscribe button for me, as it'll allow me to keep bringing you more videos like this. Also, if you haven't already, would you mind going over to Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok and check me out over on all those social media sites, as I am active on all those as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.